So I'm doing another chip repair. I've actually done this one once before. This board's actually pretty old and wore out, razor-tailed and whatnot. Probably well past its prime, but I like to ride boards till they break. And I like to fix stuff when I can. So if your board chips and you can't or don't want to spend money on a new one, this is a better way of keeping it going than just peeling the chip back or whatever and having a hole in your board. It's important to get glue all the way down in the void. You don't want any air bubbles in there. I don't know what else I got to get the glue down in there. Kind of just wing it, I guess. I think that's probably good enough. So I'll leave that sit for 24 hours, at least overnight, and then we'll see what we got.
Tomorrow.
All right, time to crack this thing open. Yeah, a little bit of overspill, but I'm happy with it. And again, I'd already done this once before on this board. I mean, I got plenty of other boards, but I like to ride them until they break, and it's a hard habit to break. So I kind of like them when they start to not really get soggy, but relax and flatten out a little bit. And as they start to get, you know, razor tail and whatnot, it just kind of feels like my own board, whereas especially like a Christmas complete, it just doesn't feel like my own board. So I usually like to replace parts like one at a time, like put old trucks on wheels on a new deck, or you know, whatever, new trucks on an old deck. It's just easier to get used to that way. But yeah, that's about it. I saw a drone. Yeah, I put that bit about the drone because all these people had their faces buried in smartphones for the last 15 years. They forgot what airplanes look like. People are frighteningly stupid. I don't even like to leave my house. But anyway, this is the board I just did that chip repair on. I had it in the clamp for about 24 hours, which is fine. I might not do any flip tricks just because it's so razor-tailed. It would be easy enough to have it chip again in the same spot. I mean, 24 hours is probably fine, but 48 would be better. I was watching this Mitch Briscoe Skate IQ clip, and he's talking about practicing tic-tacs by going 90 degrees either direction. It's probably easier for a guy his age, but I'll get there. It does help a lot. One thing I've been trying to do sometimes, it's kind of fun. I don't know if I'll be able to do it holding the phone, but just kind of do a hard front side pivot into a fakie manual without power sliding, without scraping the tail. It's quite hard to do, and probably even more so with the phone, but I'll give it a shot. Almost, but yeah, keep the momentum going once you get into the manual. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I can hardly do it when I'm not holding the phone. Another thing I've been trying is 360 pivots off the nose. Like, I wouldn't call it a G-turn, just kind of spin more or less stationary. Almost. So yeah, I've been skating more for the purpose of getting and staying in shape than for the purpose of being able to skate better, but as I get in better shape, my skateboarding improves. So kind of goes hand in hand. Yeah, that's about it.